In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Opera GX on mobile. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Opera GX is a gaming browser designed for gamers that you can find available on the Play Store or the App Store. Once you download it, it will be available for you to use, and it also has the computer desktop web browser as well. Once you ensure that it is properly installed, you can open it up and you will be greeted by this page. As you can see, you can scroll down to find some free games to play within the browser itself. It's a very customizable browser that it focuses on performance for gamers and a sleek design. You can access additional settings by clicking the Opera icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and accessing the settings, or you can change the appearance of the browser, use light mode or dark mode, and change additional browser settings by scrolling down. Once you are satisfied with whatever settings you choose from this menu, you can start browsing right away. It's a very fast browser and I recommend it since I use it on my computer. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Opera GX on mobile. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.